Rahama Sadau kenan ma'aikaciya a Kannywood ta fara shirin wani fim ɗinta ne mai suna Sadau Sisters a inda ta saka 'yan uwanta na jini a cikin wannan shirin. A cikin wannan shirin za ku ga 'yan uwanta masu kama da kama sosai da sosai. A cikin wannan shirin za ku ga inda 'yan uwanta suke ce mata su fa ba sa son 'yan Kannywood, ita kuma take cewa za ta gayyato 'yan Kannywood a cikin wannan shirin nata. To 'yan kallo a ci gaba da kallon tashan namu na Sirrinkannywood a inda za ku ga mun kawo muku full bidiyon wannan shiri mai suna Sadau Sisters. Mun gode.
Kannywood? From Kano?
Okay.
And some few friends from here also. I don't want to make it big, but just
Nice, cute, small.
you know me, I'm always with the make it small,
That's
simple.
Hold on, Kannywood people. That doesn't really sit well with me because the last time I checked, they don't like you.
Who are you inviting?
I told you the people that are coming now.
Put your mouth now. Your friends?
Wait till I say.
Yeah, industry friends, colleagues.
Industry friends. They cannot do like this.
Industry
all this
colleagues.
evening. Yeah, they're not friends.
Yeah, but they're colleagues, so.
I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. Actually, I do know how I feel about it. I don't like it. I don't like them. I hate them because they hate her.
We're celebrating your 10 years in the industry, not in Kannywood.
Yeah, Kannywood is part of the industry.
No doubt.
So?
I'm not trying to take that away from you, but the people that you're inviting are the same people that put the pressure.